For Estonian Academy of Arts, it's very important to have collaborations like the one with 5.0 Robotics. We need to kind of investigate and experiment here at the school and also empower the students to find new avenues and test new materials. So about a year ago, this collaboration started to happen, and I became excited that finally we have a larger scale CNC machine with enough precision to do both rapid prototyping and also kind of final product samples. And this can be applied to several kind of disciplines that we have here at school. I'm from architecture, but I see this happening in industrial design, even in heritage protection. All these events bring together people with diverse backgrounds and knowledge. And this machine, in that sense, can be viewed as an accumulator of this knowledge that can be further expanded in the future. As a director of 3DL, we've, during the past 20 years, acquired several machines, 3D printers of different kinds, laser cutters. But a machine like this, produced and developed here in Estonia, is something new. It's really important for us to be part of this startup culture that happens here in Estonia, and 5.0 robotics certainly exemplifies that. I think developing this knowledge here on site nearby to us is something different than acquiring a machine from overseas or from another country. Of course, nowadays everything is global, but we also have to think about the local impact, and bringing together people from different universities, from different backgrounds, developing and using this machine is certainly another level to this culture.